Today, I'm going to walk you through how to edit multi-camera videos in CapCut, a powerful workflow that makes any multi-angle project look super professional and polished. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring together footage from several cameras, smoothly switch between angles, and get a dynamic result that'll wow your viewers. So let's jump right into the steps and really break down what makes this process efficient and why each part matters. The first thing you need to do is prepare your project and all your clips. Start by importing every video file from each camera. If you filmed a live event with 3 cameras or recorded a music session with 2 angles, make sure all those clips are inside CapCut. Next, you'll drag and drop each camera's footage onto its own separate track down in the timeline. This organization is crucial because it keeps things tidy and makes the syncing process much smoother. Sometimes, especially if you filmed on different devices, the footage might look slightly different in length or quality. That's totally normal. Just focus on getting every clip lined up on a separate row. Now, if you had the chance to use an external audio recorder for better sound, you'll want to add that into CapCut too. Place the audio file on the main audio track, and don't forget to mute the sound coming directly from your camera clips. Why does this help? Well, high-quality audio not only makes your video sound better, but also gives you a consistent reference for syncing everything up later. If you didn't use external audio, no worries. CapCut is smart enough to use your camera's built-in audio to handle synchronization. Once your timeline is set up, it's time to create your multi-camera clip. This is where the magic happens. Carefully highlight all the video clips you just placed on your tracks. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each track, or clicking and dragging a selection box over them. Then, right-click on one of the selected clips and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. You'll see a dialog box pop up asking you to choose a syncing method. For most situations, audio is the go-to. It compares the sound waves from each clip to align the footage perfectly, kind of like solving a puzzle by matching identical patterns. But if you've manually added markers, you can choose First Marker. And for quick projects, Auto might do the trick. If your files are really big, say 4K or RAW footage, it might help to enable Proxy. This generates lightweight versions for editing so things run much smoother. But don't worry, the final export will still use your high-quality originals. Click Create and let CapCut do its thing. Depending on how many clips you have, this could take a few moments. Be patient. Once it's done, you'll have a single multi-camera clip to work with, all beautifully in sync. Now comes the fun part, editing your multi-camera sequence. As you play the new multicam clip, pay attention to the preview window. Whenever you want to switch angles, maybe go from a wide shot to a close-up reaction, simply click on the camera view you prefer right in the preview. CapCut will automatically mark the switch in your timeline, making instant cuts for you. For even quicker switching, you can use the number keys on your keyboard. If your angles were set up as 1, 2, and 3, just tap those numbers as your footage plays to jump between views like you're directing a live show. Don't be afraid to re-edit or fine-tune these switches. If you missed a beat or want to extend a shot, just hover your cursor over the cut point between 2 angles, then drag the edges left or right. You'll see how it lets you adjust exactly when each switch happens. It's a bit like trimming the edges of photos for the perfect layout. Small tweaks can make a big difference in pacing and impact. And that's the workflow for multi-camera editing in CapCut. It's surprisingly straightforward and unlocks a ton of creative possibilities for interviews, performances, podcasts, events, you name it. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or hit a snag with a step, drop a comment below. I always read through and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials about video editing, CapCut tricks, and ways to level up your content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!